All right, guys, here we go. Model Rocks 321. We got the Black Brant 3 going on a C12-4. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, busted apart. What happened? Blew apart, fins, everything. Hey guys, Model Rocks 321 here. Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video, just a quick kind of shout out video. And I want to talk about something that came in the mail from Aerotech Aerospace, Aerotech Consumer Aerospace, you know, super company up there in Cedar City, Utah. They make a lot of great mid-power and high-power rockets, and majority of the high-power motors, I believe, once you certify, there probably is where you're going to be getting most of your motors. I mean, you got Cicerone out there and some other companies, but Aerotech is probably like the leaders in that. So recently, if you check a few of my videos back, I had some launches with a few of their Q-Jet motors that were just KOing and getting destroyed. As you can see right here, we had char right here, and this little end cap, which holds the black powder for the ejection, is gone off this motor. It was an obvious Kato, and this one is all cracked around here. So I had two bigger boxes than these of motors. They were 24 packs. They sell them in bulk. And I got around, I was using them here and there. I've been flying them for a little while, but I flew at a couple launches back, and the motors just kind of destroyed the rocket. Destroyed that Black Brant that I had, and then another rocket, my Mars lander, kind of got some damage. I got to cut that open and got to reattach a hinge. So I wasn't expecting anything, but I did write to them, and I just told them what happened and everything. And they said, just can we see some pictures? And they wanted to know some of the serial numbers and lot number off the motor. So I sent that in, and then the guy wanted a mailing address. So it was a form to put the mailing address in. And like I said, I wasn't really expecting anything, but they did come through, and they sent me these two boxes you see right here. It's a 12-pack, 12 D16 4FJs and 12 C12 4FJs. So hopefully these are fresh and good. It's just cool that they did honor kind of like a warranty, because I had damage, and I had some rockets that got damaged, but they came through and they made me whole again. It came in this box right here, as you can see. It got the label on it for shipping, hazmat, and service mail only, that whole deal. These are 24 HRs, I think they're called. Label, I think that's what they're called. But they have a name for this form, but you have to have that filled out whenever you ship model rocket motors. Got all their Aerotech tape on there. But yeah, just a super cool company. So shout out to them and respect to Aerotech. I know we fly a lot of Estes here, but you know, Aerotech is definitely a player in the game. I have their Arcus. I do want to get that kit built. It's a nice mid-power rocket. Scale model of the Arc is just like, I forget how big it is, maybe 4 feet tall, 3-4 feet. It's a nice size mid-power rocket. I want to hopefully get that built. Got a lot of stuff to build and repair now, so that's on the back burner. But just wanted to say thank you to Aerotech. Thank you to Aerotech. So much respect to you guys, and support them also. Go by and support Aerotech. You know, one of the leaders in the mid to high power rocketry, and also support Estes. As you know, I am with Estes. Use my discount code IN_321. Go shop in there, fill your cart, and put that code in there. And that's all, guys, for today. So go on and check the links below, and support anything down there. I got a website, got some stuff on there, and stay tuned. We'll be back with more. It's Model Rockets 321, and we are out.